today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a lovely avocado on toast or avocado with toast. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, definitely leave positive comment. Here I have an avocado, I have a tomato and some onion, and I'm going to add some celery, and I will take you through the process very slowly. To make this, I'm going to make a salsa like before I start with the bread. Stay tuned. I'll be using about, not really half, I'm just going to cut part of the onion, about this. That's all I need for that. So this is personal preference. You can either leave the middle in it, or you can take it away. So I'm taking the middle out. We're going to go ahead and cut these up as small as possible. I'll be adding some coriander for this. So I'm just gonna chop this as small as possible. So next up is the avocado. Just gonna go ahead, open it up. Next, I'm gonna get a spoon, and I'm just gonna spoon this out. Next, I'll be adding to this some black pepper, and I'll be adding a bit of Celtic salt in this. Also, I'll be adding 1 cloves of fresh garlic. Gonna add a bit of olive oil. It's personal preference, you don't have to. And then we're gonna crush these all together. For my citrus, I'll be using a little bit of cider vinegar in this. You don't need much, but that should be enough. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna set this aside. Here I have a loaf of bread which I make. This bread, it's sea moss, or some people call it Irish moss, which I made. If you go in my channel, you'll see how to make this lovely sea moss or Irish moss bread. Very lovely. So this is what I'm using to make the avocado and toast. Nice, moist, and delicious. So the next step is I have my pan on. I'm gonna slightly toast the bread, but I'm using a pan to do this. So I'm just gonna put some butter in this. And once it's get up to temperature, then we start. I'm gonna add a bit of garlic in this. So that's how we're doing it. So these are ready. I'm gonna set them aside. So to complete this dish, I'm gonna do probably 1 or 2 poached egg. I'm gonna bring this water to a boil. I'm adding some vinegar in this to do my poached egg. So to do your poached egg, water is boiling. So these poached egg are ready. So I'm just gonna take them out. Just gonna put them on a plate like this and let it air dry a little bit. So now it's time. We're gonna take our mixture. We're just gonna put it on our bread like this. Put a good portion over him and just gently spread him over. telling you, this is gonna be delicious. Remember, this bread, I'm just making a recipe. If you search my channel, it's called Irish Moss or sea moss bread. Lovely and delicious, healthy bread. So the next part is just take a poached egg. We're gonna drop him on like so. And all this is personal preference. And I have some Parma ham here. I have some Parma ham. So, you know, if you want to make something like a rose, just do like this. And then just put it on this one. So you have different flavor. For this, just gonna put a bit of pepper over that. Touch of salt. And there you have it, guys.